Hey everyone, it's Aquila. I hope you had a great weekend, a fantastic day today, and I'm gonna put in the atmosphere. God's gonna bless us to have a stress-free, peaceful, prosperous, productive week. Whew, that was a lot to say. Okay, so a lot of you don't know, but I am a financial coach. I've been teaching financial literacy for about a year, and when I say I love it, baby, I love it. I enjoy partnering with the nonprofits of Atlanta and helping change the narrative and trajectory of what money looks like in our community. The conversation of money can be scary, and quite often it starts too late in our community, and the time is now. So, with that being said, I've decided that for the next few Mondays, I will do a money tip Monday. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but here's the first one. So, this one is really geared for those that do not have a savings account. If you have a savings account, you can listen, but it's not really for you. If you do not have a savings account, get a pen, get some paper, and let's get started. First and foremost, you want to write down all the creditors in which you pay out on a monthly basis, whether it's your rent, your mortgage, your car payment, car insurance. I personally have pet insurance, as she is staring at me, your cell phone bill, utilities, whatever you pay out, list it. Now, the next thing is you're going to list all your account numbers, the creditor's phone number, and the amount in which you owe today, or whichever day you decide to contact them. So if you contact them tomorrow, that'll be April 14th, and let's just say you owe $252.97 on your Capital One MasterCard. That's the amount you're going to put down. Now, whenever you contact your creditors that has interest, as in your credit cards, your mortgage, your car payment, you want to make sure that when you speak to them, you're asking them to delay your payments for about 60 to 90 days, interest free. You don't want to accrue interest during this time. Some may say okay, some may not, but it doesn't hurt to ask. Make sure you're asking. Now, after you speak to your creditors and they say, okay, well, we know what, we can delay your payment for 60 days, interest free, whoop, whoop, whoop. You want to make sure you put that in your notes. You want to write down who you spoke to, the date and time you spoke to them, the start and end time, as well as what the end result was. Make sure you get this in writing. Even if they don't delay your interest and they just say, hey, we can delay your payments, still get it in writing, still write down who you spoke to, the amount of time you spoke to them, start and end time, and what the end result was. In writing can be either they can email it to you or they can mail it to you. That's it, okay? Now, let's say we get back to our new normal within 60 days. Perfect. You already have this money saved. Do not spend it. Don't go shopping. Don't pay any other bills with it. This is just for your emergency. Now, if an emergency does occur, do what you need to do. However, you're saving this money for an emergency. And only you know what emergency is. Definitely emergency would be, hey, your car breaks down and you still have to go to work. Emergency is not, there's a bag on sale, let me purchase the bag, or there's some shoes, let me get the shoes, I need some workout clothes. That's not an emergency, okay? So now, after the 30, 60, 90-day period is up and we are back to our new normal, you have money in the account that you can now take and pay your bills as one option, or two, you just jump-started your savings account. Either one, you have to decide which works best for you and your household, but at the end of the day, you want to make sure you're protecting your four walls. So that's all I have today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, but I'll see you all next Monday with another Monday money tip. Money Monday? I don't know, whatever I'm gonna call it, but I'll see you next Monday. Have a great week.